Computer department naman tayo. So, gagawagan natin si Sir Dondon.
Good afternoon. Okay, as a computer department head in technical area, may I request all the new students of ACT to please stand up.
All the new.
All the new students.
ACT. Computer technology course, major.
So most of the students enrolled here in Calayan Santo Cristo de Burgos are all ACT students. Palakpakan po natin. So nagkaroon po ng buhay ang aming paghihirap sa instant. And Sir JR as our head in marketing department. So napakahirap po sa side namin. So natutuwa naman po kami at nakakataba po ng puso na marami na po kami mga estudyante. Okay, just listen. Palilimutan ko pa. Okay, I am Dondon Binay. My real name is Blue Dillon Binay. Blue Dillon was derived from my father's name, which is Ludovico. So huwag yung mga confused. Most of my friends nako-confuse kung babae pa yung Blue Dillon. When I was in high school, napalipat din ako sa babae because of my first name. So huwag kayong tataka, you may use the Dondon para hindi kayo mahirapan. Sobrang yaman ko na because Don na, Don pa rin. So Don. Wala lang akong pera ngayon. Okay? So ang subject na ituturo ko is 4 subjects which are all major subjects. The first one is the Computer Hardware Servicing NC2. Ang ibig sabihin doon is magre-repair tayo ng computer. Okay lang ba sa mga babae na ACTs na mag-repair ng computer? Pakisagot po ng malakas. Para tayo. I am willing to carry your CPUs. Kung meron kayong problema sa pagbubuhat, pwede kong buhatin para sa inyong mga babae. Okay? Yung sa mga lalaki, ay baka lang ay super. Okay. At the same time, I'm teaching minor subject in IT Fundamentals and Programming 1. And for the second year is Computer Architectural and Troubleshooting, which is the advanced subject of Computer Hardware Servicing. Ano ba nalimutan ko? Saglit lang natin sinakang dito. May nalimutan ako isa. And for the second year is Programming and C4. We're going to deal more on the web page designing and the background of programming during our subjects. Hindi naman ako mahigpit sa klase, but I'm willing to change for the rest of all the students and the old students. So, nakulit ko yung mention ko na lang mamaya, good afternoon sa inyo lahat.